Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the DJI Mic Mini 2 and I'm just amazed by how small it is. It's just absolutely great looking, to be honest. Yeah, this was about just under £50 in the UK. This comes with the DJI Mic Mini 2. It comes with the new mobile USB-C receiver. Now this you can get for about £15 or I think just under $15 in the US. You've got the dead cat over here. I think that's what they're called. Which is quite nice, didn't expect that to come, and I mainly got it because it came in the carry case, the charging case as well, which is just absolutely just amazing. Look at that, and obviously USB-C cable there. Now it's supposed to have 24-hour operating time, which is great, so we'll see how that sort of happens. I was going to get the Mini Mic 3 because of the internal backup audio. I thought, you know what, let me try this first, and if this is quite successful, I can get that because apparently you can pair that with this mobile receiver, which is quite good. So this is the magnet that everyone is on about. Look at that. That's just brilliant. Look at that. And then putting this on the top. Should clip in. Wow, look at that. All right, let's give it a whirl. Now, so far in this video, I've been using the iPhone 16 Pro Max internal camera. My face is quite close to the camera, so I'm now going to switch to this mic, or at least I'm going to set it up, and we're going to see how it is. Okay. Plug it in there and let's see, immediately I can see it light up, which is really great. Now obviously I need to download the app. So I've just noticed that obviously that cover comes off, and that's really good for discreetly putting inside your t-shirt. It just makes it so much lightweight. Look at that. And apparently the covers are interchangeable, but I've just got the one color here. Once I switched it on, it recognized the device that was connected, and there are lots of features you can go through. At the moment, the audio channel is mono, which might be good. If you keep it in stereo, you're going to end up recording left and right, and yeah, that might be a little bit of an annoying one. And look at that, look at that. It's got the sound it's reading there, which is nice. Battery level as well. Noise reduction. We haven't got any noise here, so I can't test it out. But what I'm going to do is I am basically going to switch to the iPhone, and I'm going to have this receiver. Yeah, I'm just going to see what it's like. Basically, I was testing the iPhone's internal mic here, and I had the receiver plugged in. So if the receiver is in but the mic isn't on, your internal audio won't activate, so just be careful of that. So this is what the iPhone 16 Pro Max internal camera is like. I'm now going to test this little thing and let's see what the difference is. Okay, so this is the DJI Mic Mini 2. What do you think it sounds like? I hope it sounds a lot better than the internal camera. I've got no noise around me at the moment, no wind, so I can't really test any of the noise isolation features. I might do a real world test later on maybe, but if I keep it further away, can you still hear? Can you still hear it when it's here, or is it too much? I mean, if I want to keep it at a distance, can you still hear that? If I keep it at the side, can you hear it? I've actually got the Mic Mini over here on my shirt and it feels really light. I can't even tell it's on there. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below about this sound quality. Is it good? Are you considering picking it up? I've got to admit the price point is really, really good. And it's so good they've given the charging case as well. But yeah, until next time.